stop loss above, then take profit is going to be at least 1 to 2 risk ratio. Okay. Okay, I think I should go a little further. I'm stopping here also. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Let's continue the play mode and see how it goes. Okay, good. TP smashed. Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about what you are seeing on the screen, the break and retest strategy. Obviously, it's not a new terminology in town. Almost everybody know about the break and retest strategy. Everybody talking about it on YouTube, on Instagram, on different platforms. Everyone is talking about the break and retest strategy. But I discovered that not everyone really knows how this strategy works. Not everyone really knows what it is and how to make money from the market using this very simple strategy. And I've used this strategy for a long time. I have been using this strategy for a long time. Like, this is exactly what I teach my students in the mentorship sessions. All right, I go in depth to teach them this strategy and how to use it to make money from the market. I take live trades. After teaching them this, I take live trades on my live account, and we watch it play out and see how it happens. So this is what we do, guys. So today I'm going to teach you the A to Z of this strategy in a way that even a 2-year-old baby will understand it. So even if you are a dumb-based person, you will understand this. And after you understand this, the backtest in your demo account, and believe me, your trading career will not remain the same. And also, I have prepared a PDF file to give you step-by-step guide on how to use this strategy. But I'm going to upload it to my Telegram channel. So what you need to do is like this video, drop a comment in the comment box below to show goodwill, to show support, and if you are new, please subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the post notification bell so whenever I drop a new post you get notified. After you have done that, then go to the description box, click the Telegram link, and you'll be taken to my Telegram channel. Join the Telegram, and as soon as this video hits 500 views, I am going to upload the PDF file to our Telegram group so everyone can have access to it free of charge and read it and understand this strategy better. Okay, so let's go straight into the business of the day. Now I want to talk about what the break and retest strategy really is. So what is the break and retest strategy? Because not many people know what it is. So what is the break and retest strategy? Here I said that this is a trading strategy whereby the trader waits for price to break out of a key level and retraces back into the key level to retest it. The trader waits to see a confirmation that the key level is holding. Then he takes his trade in line with the order flow. This is a very simple and self-explanatory statement. So the break and retest strategy is a very logical one, as we all know that price moves from key level to key level, moves from key level to key level, from support resistance to another resistance to another support, and all that. So what we found out is that when price is moving from a key level to another key level, it does not move in straight path. Right? It doesn't move in straight path, just as you see here. As price moves from this resistance level here down to this support level, it never moved in a straight path. That is exactly how we came about the break and retest strategy. Price doesn't move down to the point where it is going to on a straight path. No, it doesn't do that. So what it does is that it moves in waves. It moves in waves, just like this. You can see it moves in waves. So it moves forward, then a little bit backward, and a little bit forward again, and then backward, forward, just like that. So the break and retest trader wants to take advantage of the forward move, which is what they call the impulsive move. All right. So we want to take advantage of the impulsive move, just like this. This is what we call the impulsive move. This one. They want to call the impulsive move, the one in the direction of the trend, the one in the overall direction of the trend. That's the impulsive move, right? Whereas the counter one is what we call is what we call the correction. All right, the one moving in the opposite direction is what we call the correction or the pullback. This is it, call it correction or pullback. All right, so that's how price moves in waves: impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective. Okay, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, and just like that. Okay, so what the breakout breakout and retest trader wants to do is that he wants to see price break out of this key level. Okay, since experience has shown us how price moves, so we want to see price break out of this key level, then go back to retest that level, that structure it broke out of. Then at this point where it comes to retest it, we look out for a reversal signal. Once we see the reversal signal, we take our trade and then target anywhere from around the previous high, okay, or more. That is what the breakout strategy trader, break and retest trader wants to do. Okay, and that is a very sensible way of trading. Since from experience we have already determined that price moves in that manner, so why not trade with price in the same way it moves? Okay, so that is exactly what to do. There's no point entering a trade here and trying to hold through all this. These pullbacks will be discounts of the money you are supposed to have made, and sometimes it is going to affect you psychologically, and you might close your trade where you're not supposed to close it, and also it might make your stop loss too wide, or it might make you to enter the wrong place if you trade anything otherwise than this method. Okay, so that is how the break and retest strategy works, and I'm going to explain it fully in a way that you will understand it. All right, so let's go to the next slide. Now here we say key concepts you must know to become profitable. Okay, so these are a few of the key concepts you need to know for you to become profitable trading this strategy. Now believe me, if you are trading this strategy and you don't understand these concepts that I'm going to explain to you here, you are never going to be profitable in the market. Believe me, I'm telling you this, guys, you are not going to be profitable in the market. There is one I did not add here, which is number 5. That is going to be the most important one. Okay, so make sure you stick to the end. All right, and make sure you like this video. Now the first concept is this: higher and lower time frame key levels. Key level is very important, like I have stated earlier. Price moves from key level to key level, so your ability to identify key levels on a higher time frame gives you an advantage. It gives you a clue of where price is heading to. Then your ability to understand key levels on the lower time frame also will now give you a clue on where to enter your trade without having much drawdown and without price hitting your stop loss. Okay, so understanding higher and lower time frame key levels is paramount to every trader of the break and retest strategy. So follow me, I'm going to go to the chart later on and I will show you all this. Okay, so number 2 is this: order flow. You must understand the order flow concept. All right, the order flow is a very straightforward, it's not an ambiguous word. The direction the order is flowing to. People are placing order in the market: buy order, sell order, buy order, sell order. Which direction is that order flowing? If you see a river, you want to look out for the direction the river is flowing. Where is the river flowing to? So wherever it's flowing to, if you throw something to the river, maybe throw a plastic material into the river, wherever the river is flowing to, that is where that plastic material is going to. All right, so if you are able to identify the order flow in the market, you are sure to know where price is going to and how you should join and the direction you should be taking your trade. So if the order flow is bullish, you should be taking buy trades, and then if the order flow is bearish, you should be taking sell trades. All right, so order flow simply means trend. Okay, simply means market direction. It simply means market bias. All right, so whichever language you understand, whichever one you understand, take it that way. That is the meaning of order flow. That's what order flow means. All right, it's very understandable. Okay, now the third one is market structure. This is one of the most important. Market structure, a good understanding of market structure. So I'm going to come to this. Let me go to the next slide and show you this. Okay, so market structure, a good understanding of market structure is what will help you to find your entry and exit points. Now let me show you this. Beginning from the first concept, I told you that you need to know your higher and lower time frame key levels. Now look at this. This point you see here is our higher time frame resistance level. Okay, this is our higher time frame resistance level. Let me show you that. This is our higher time frame resistance level. Okay, and then this is our higher time frame support level. Now look at what happened here. Price got to the what do you call it? Price got to the resistance level like this, okay, and then started dropping. Okay, so you have spotted out the higher time frame. These all are spotted out at the higher time frame. Okay, these key levels here we are spotted at the higher time frame. So we go to the higher time frame, we get our key level, get our support and resistance level. Now we look for where price is currently at and where it is heading to. Now, having seen that price has left the resistance level and come to the support level here, so that is your higher time frame key level. Okay, so price has come to this support level here. What you want to do is you want to see price start moving up, and if price eventually start moving up, you should know that this is the target, right? This is destination, which is the higher time frame key level. You already have this support, and then you met price at this resistance level. Okay, let's assume you met price at this support level, and then you have the support resistance already. So your common sense should tell you that price is going to move from here up to this resistance level. Okay, so that's where you want to pursue price to. Now, are you just going to expect price to move in a straight line? We know that that is impossible. It's totally impossible. Price can never move in a straight line like this to that your key level. No, it is going to move in waves, making what we call higher highs and higher lows for an uptrend. Okay, but for this downtrend where it was coming, for this area where it was coming to from resistance to support. Okay, so it's going to be giving us lower lows and lower highs because that is a downtrend. Okay, so you have to understand these are key levels. When you identify your key levels, you will know where price is heading to. That's it. Okay, that's it for the first one. Which the second one is order flow. I have told you that order flow stands for talks about the direction of the market. Okay, so when you see price doing this like this, coming from resistance level and then it's moving down like this, breaking the lows. Price is only breaking the lows like this, making lower lows. So you know that the order flow is bearish. So at this point, you want to only look for bearish trade, just as I did. You can see I was only taking bearish trades here. So you have gotten the order flow, which is direction market. You want to be taking only sell trades, no buy trade here. Okay, now the next one is the market structure. Market structure. Now, what is market structure? Market structure is just a pattern that price prints on the market whenever it's moving from a key level to another key level. Okay, this particular pattern that price prints on the charts, the pattern with which it moves from key level to key level. Just as I told you earlier, price moves from key level to key level, and it doesn't move in straight pattern. It moves in a particular pattern, and that pattern it moves in is called market structure. Okay, that's well understood. Now, when the order flow is bearish, what you are going to be getting is a bearish market structure. And a bearish market structure is such that it gives you high, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. All right, the highs are always lower than the previous ones. Okay, whenever you want to form a new high, whenever a new high is to be formed, it is going to be formed lower than the previous high because it is a bearish market. Now the same thing with the lows. The lows are going to be printing lower than the previous. Okay, the lows are going to be printing lower than the previous. So this is it. So obviously the price is going to be breaking out the lows like this. Okay, it's going to be breaking out the lows. This is just it. Price is going to be taking out the lows. You don't expect to take out the high on a bearish market. Okay, in a bearish market you don't expect price to take out the high. So this is exactly what a bearish market looks like. Then the bullish market is the opposite. Okay, price keeps taking out the high and not the low. Okay, so price is going to be taking out the highs like this, just as you see. So the highs will be higher than the previous, the lows will be higher than the previous. Okay, so In the bearish market, we say price will be giving us lower highs and higher low and lower lows rather. Lower highs and lower low, right? Lower highs and lower lows. That's what price is going to be giving us. But in a bullish market, price is going to be giving us higher highs. Okay, price is going to be giving us higher highs. Please pardon my writing. Okay, so price is going to be giving us higher highs and higher lows like this. Okay, so this is what price is going to be giving us in a bullish market. So it's just as simple as that. This is the market structure. This is everything you need to know about market structure. It's so simple, it's not complicated. Don't let anybody complicate it for you, or don't let yourself complicate it for yourself. Okay, so this is market structure. You need to understand the market structure theory very, very well before you start reading this strategy. I have a lot of videos on market structure in this channel. Look for them, okay, and understand market structure. Okay, so let us also see the next one, which is candlestick pattern. Wonderful. Now you should know the various candlestick patterns, because this will help you to know your entry triggers. Okay, this serves as your entry triggers, right? It will help you to know when you should enter the market immediately. That is what this does. All right, so we have some candlestick patterns here that I love so much. Like we have the bullish engulfing pattern, right? This is the bullish engulfing pattern. This is the bearish engulfing pattern. So generally you have the engulfing candlestick patterns. So you can see how the bearish engulfing pattern is. That's exactly how it appears. The red one is always bigger than the green one, which the red one also comes second. Then for the bullish is the opposite of the bearish. Okay, the green one is always bigger than the red one. So whenever you see this, it is a signal to take a long trade. Whenever you see this one, it's a signal to take a short trade, right? Then we have another one called bearish tweezers. All right, this is bearish tweezers, and this one signifies that price is shifting downwards. Okay, so whenever you see this at your key levels, okay, resistance levels, it simply means you should take a sell, take a sell, take a sell, sell right now. Yeah, that's it. Then we have the bullish tweezers. This one, I need to see it at your support levels. Okay, the color of the candle or the small body here doesn't really matter to me. So whenever you see it here having long tails below, is a bullish tweezer, means buy right away. Okay, it's just telling you goodbye, bye bye. I am leaving the support, bye bye. That's what it means. And then we have the doji candle. This one's here, this is the indecision candle, same as this, the indecision candle. But you see this guy here, when you see it on your support, treat it with more urgency than you treat this one. Okay, this very candle here, is a great signal to buy. All right, it's a great buy signal. And then this one here is a great sell signal. Then this one, balance of power, right, between the buyers and sellers. So how you trade this one is two things. If it is at the support level that you see this candle, get ready to buy. Okay, and then when you now see the next candle that appear being bullish, you can buy. If it's at the resistance level, get ready to sell. If the next candle that appears after it is bearish, then sell immediately. That's how it works for the both of them. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Now there are other candlesticks here. This one is the evening star. This is hammer. You treat hammer the same way you treat these ones. All right, it's for buys. Then this is the inverse hammer, inverted hammer. All right, you treat them also the same way you treat the tweezers. All right, very simple. Now for the evening star, you treat it the way you treat this, sell, right? Then for the morning star here, you treat it the way you treat this, buy, right? Okay, so this is one they call shooting star. This one here, shooting star, is the opposite of hammer, so you treat them the way you treat this. All right, it's as simple as that. Okay, good. So that's just our candlestick pattern. Those are the ones that we trade. Then you can trade this one also. Look at it, trade inside down. This one I treat it the way I treat this one, because is it this candle, it just one bearish bullish candle, and then this one engulfed it. This one's, it's just that they didn't engulf it at once. Maybe if you go to the next high time frame, you see this candle as one candle, so they would have engulfed this one. So I treat it as the bearish engulfing pattern. Same as this, I treat this one as the bullish engulfing pattern. Alright, like this. I treat it as the bullish engulfing pattern. That's it. So this one is also indecision candle, just like this guy here, just like this guy here, and this guy here. I treat them as indecision candle. After they appear, then the next candle that appear, and then the level where they are is what will determine if they are at a support level or they are at a resistance level. Then the next candle that appear, if they are at the support level and the next candle appear is green, I will buy. But if they are at resistance level and the next candle that appear is red, like bearish candle, I will sell. Okay, that is it, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching. Now if you have watched this video up to this point, congratulations to you, and I'm going to show you the fifth condition, the fifth concept you must understand and master very well for you to become profitable with this strategy. And as you can see here, the fifth condition is the trend line. See that? You must understand how to use the trend line. You must understand how to draw the trend line on your chart to be able to get the trend support and resistance. And then you must always must understand how to respond to the reaction of price on those trend lines. Okay, so this is also what I'm going to show you in the course of this tutorial. So let's go to the chart now. Let me show you how all these conditions I've listed, all these 5 concepts are being put together to find a perfect, nearly perfect entry or trading opportunities. Okay, let's go to the chart right now. All right, so this is the chart. This is step index, and it is the 24 hours time frame. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys some examples. One on step index, one on boom, one on crash, another one on volatility of the volatility indices, then one again on currency pairs, making it 5 examples, and then we are done with this tutorial. Okay, so if you are looking at this, okay, let me zoom the screen. Good, so we can have a broader view, wider view. Now from our 24 hours time frame, this is our daily time frame, we can mark out our key levels here. So this is our resistance level, and good, this is our support level here. We're marking them out. Okay, and then this another one here, you can see this. So we have this here. Okay, so we have 3 major zones. We have another one here. Price has reacted to this point multiple times, so we are going to take this. Remember, it's just a zone. Okay, so we have these 4 levels, as you can see, where price has been reacting. Now let's assume you meet price at this point. Let's assume you meet price at this point where it is already leaving the support level. Okay, you met price at this point where it's leaving the support level. Now we want to see how you would have traded it. Okay, we are going to go to the lower time frame rather. We are going to go to the lower time frame to see how you would have traded it. Okay, so let me mark this stuff here. Wow, trading view is just a problem. Using trading view is so problematic. Okay, so let's assume you met this stuff here around this area when it's leaving the support level already. So when it's leaving the support level already, that means you want to be looking for buys only. Okay, so bias is bullish. Now let's go to the lower time frame. I want to go to the lower time frame. Let's let's say 1 hour time frame. Let's see how it goes. All right, so this is our 1 hour time frame. Let me scroll down. Okay, this is our 1 hour time frame. Good. So here, price has already left our support level. You can see even they dipped so deep into it. Okay, so you can even adjust this. You can adjust this at least down to this point, right? So price has actually left this level, and like I told you, on your higher time frame, you have to know how to map out your key levels on your higher time frame and your lower time frame, right? So we've mapped out the key levels on the higher time frame. Now we want to start marking out the one on the lower time frame. Now on the lower time frame, the key levels we are marking out are just the structural breaks, right? The break of structures. Those are things we are marking out. They are the ones we are interested in. Okay, so we are marking out this break of structure here. Okay, let me use this one. Good. We are marking out the break of structure and making it tiny so that we differentiate it from the daily. Now when you mark this out like this, what you are going to do next is you want to wait for price to return to it. All right, so we've already gotten our order flow. As you can see here, price is moving upward, so price is bullish. As you can see that here, right? Price is bullish, so we are only looking for buys. Price is bullish and it is coming from a support level, so we are only looking for buys. We have nothing to do with sell trades here. Okay, so we want to wait for price to start coming back. Remember, we've gotten our key levels, higher time frame and lower time frame key levels. We've also gotten our what do you call it, order flow, and then market structure. We've gotten it here. You can see price has broken structure here to the upside, so we've got market structure, and then we're going to be looking for a reversal to this area. Then during that reversal, we are going to place our trend line. After that, then when price begins to give us what we want, we now look out for candlestick. Okay, candlestick patterns. All right, so let's start going back. Let's see how price plays out. Okay, you can see it playing out now. Then we've gotten two tops like this. We've gotten two tops, so we can place our trend line now. So you want to wait to get at least two tops where you can place your trend line. So we've gotten these tops and we can place our trend lines on it. Okay, so we can place our trend lines on it and wait for a breakout. Alright, so wait for a breakout of the trend line. Now price has broken out of the trend line. Want to wait for a retest. Now one thing is that I don't like entering at the first retest. Okay, this will help you a lot not to be among the first, because sometimes the market the market makers want to carry out some manipulations, which is called liquidity. So I don't like entering at the first retest. So let's just keep waiting. Let's just fill it up and see. Okay, so price is coming back. Okay, so let's just see. Let's keep going. Okay, so this is it. You can see at this point, this is actually where this is our level here. As you can see, this is our level here. Okay, this is our level where we are waiting for price to come back. So price has given us this first retest. Price has given us this retest with no enter. Has given us this. Now this is where we are going to enter. You can see this is where we have enough bullish momentum. You can see this engulfing candlestick pattern. That is nice for me. These two engulfing candlestick patterns that you see here. Here it gave us this engulfing. Here it gave us this engulfing. So it is a sign of bullish momentum. You can see that there was no engulfing here, and the candlestick pattern wasn't nice. So this is where we are entering. This is where we are taking our trade. And how are we going to take this trade? It's going to be at the close of this candle. This is where we are taking this trade. At the close of this candle, then our stop loss is going to be below it, right below the wick of the candle. Then we are going to go all the way to this. We're going to take it all the way to this high, all right, all the way to this high, and this should be at least up to 2 up to 1:2 risk reward ratio. All right, so we're taking it up to this high. That's our take profit. Now let's play it out and see how it's going to be. All right, okay, now price is going in our direction. You can see that, and boom, we hit our take profit. That's it, we hit take profit. All right guys, this is boom 500, which we are going to be using on the behalf of boom 1000, boom 500, and boom 300. Okay, so we are using boom 500 is in this video, which works exactly the same way as the others. All right, so here we are on the 24 hours time frame, and this is our key levels. Here we have our key levels that we've marked out. This is our resistance level here, as you can see, and this is our support level here, as you can also see. Now what happens is that price has already gotten to our support level, and I want to see how it reacted moving from the resistance to support level, how it reacted and how it's going to go back to the what do you call it, to the resistance level, which it has reached already. So we're just going to see it, find out how we would have looked for trading opportunities using this very strategy I'm teaching you, the break and retest strategy. Okay, now let's go to the 1 hour time frame, which is where we are going to be. Remember, we've marked out our higher time frame key levels. Now we are going to the 1 hour to find market structure and lower time frame key level. Okay, then we'll begin to use our trend line, and also we'll begin to look out for reversal to that breakout trend line, breakout of trend line and lower time frame key level. Then we now look for candlestick pattern that shows us a kind of bullish momentum, since we are looking for buys. Okay, you know what that shows us, that bullish momentum, then we'll be good to go with it. Okay guys, so here we are on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, here we are on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, let me zoom in. Okay, so you can see that price has moved down to the 1 hour time frame, down to the support level. So now we want to go to zoom in so that we can see what price really saying. And what we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be buying. We're going to be looking for only buy opportunities. Okay, so price has come into the support level and has started breaking. Let's see. Okay, we're going to see what price is doing. You can see it has started breaking the highs. All right, having this here, you can just see it. Price has broken that high, so this is just telling us that we are now significantly on what do you call it, on a bullish trend, right? We are now in a bullish market, so we want to look for, since price has broken out of this high, we want to wait for it to come back. We want to start looking for trading opportunities. Okay, we're looking for only buys, right? We're going to be looking for only buys. We're going to be looking for only buys. I think here we can place our trend line. We can actually place our trend line right here. Okay, so let's just draw it and see what's going to happen. Okay, so this is how you do it, guys. This is how you do it. We've drawn our trend lines, and okay, let's just hope it lines up very well. Okay, so let's see. Oh, price has actually broken out of it. Okay, so let's just keep waiting and see how price is going to react. Remember, this since price has broken out of here, so this region is our area of interest. Okay, that's our area of interest. So whenever price comes in there, we'll see how it reacts, and then we'll know what to do. We'll respond accordingly. In the market, we react. Okay, we react to the behaviors of the market. We don't predict the market. I think, oh good, this is wonderful, guys. Look at this. This is wonderful. We got a very massive bullish move there. We got a very bullish move there, so it's a nice one. So let's just see. Let me show you. Okay, there is it. Price is in our good. Can see price is in our area of interest, and we got a bullish engulfing pattern, and again another strong bullish candle. So we cannot just wait. If you miss this already, this is where we are supposed to end about. If you miss this at this point, you have missed the trade. That's how it is. So we are going to have though our stop loss is going to be a bit large now, because okay, you cannot accept that. So we are just going to use this candle as our stop loss. Now our take profit is going to be as far as this high, right? This high. Okay, that's where we have our take profits. All right, so I just hope it's not too far, but let's see how it goes. So let's see how it goes. All right. Okay, let's see. This is 1 to 3 risk for the short, almost 1 to 4. Let's keep going. Price is reversing. Okay, wow. Okay, let's just keep going. Wow, we hit take profit, guys. This is clean sheet, guys. This is just clean. It's very clean, guys. Let's do it again. Let's just keep playing. Let's see if you're going to find another opportunity. All right, let's just see if you're going to find another opportunity to trade. This thing I'm teaching you guys is a VIP strategy. Like, I teach it live in my VIP mentorship classes. This is what I teach live. I teach you how to do it live, okay? Not just doing what is not practicable. I teach you this live. So feel free to join my feel free to join our VIP mentorship classes, because it is this same strategy that I teach in more in depth, and we trade live with it. Okay, so we are here. Okay, good. Price has come back to our area of interest, and wow, we can see this is a very good sign of bullish momentum. You can see this is it, and this is not the first time it's entering it. That's what you should know. Like I told you earlier, we don't enter at the first test. Look at the first test here, and this one here is the second, and you can see the bullish momentum. So I think this is good. It's good, and it has also kind of broken our trend line. Let's see. Okay, so it's good to enter the trade here. I think, yeah. We also have another bullish engulfing pattern, so it's good we take the buy here. Let's take the buy here. We're going to take the buy at the close of this candle. Then below this level should be our stop loss. Then our take profit should be all the way to this key level, right? All the way to the high here. This is amazing, guys. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is the break and retest strategy. Wow, price is in our direction. Price is in our favor for now. Don't know, I just hope it gets to our take profit. So this is actually 1 to 2 risk ratio. Okay, let's keep doing it. Good, we hit take profit right here. We hit take profit, guys. This is it. We just hit take profits, right? We just hit take profit. This is massive. Wow, and price continues going up. Let's see, price continues going up. Okay, so this is it for boom. Let's now go to crash. And see how it works. All right, guys. So this is crash 1000 on behalf of all the crash family. Crash 1000, crash 500, and crash 300. This is crash 1000, and we are going to be working with this. Okay, so first of all, we have to get our key levels. This is our support here, as you can see. This is our support here. Okay, this is our support here, which price has left already. This here is our resistance, which price is heading towards. Okay, price is heading towards our resistance. Okay, so now that you've made this like this, assuming maybe we met it earlier, just leaving the support level, how would they have joined this trade? Okay, how do we intend to trade this trade, to trade this market? Now what we'll do is we'll go to the 1 hour time frame also to see what's going to be happening there. Okay, let's go to 1 hour time frame and observe. All right, so this is the 1 hour time frame, and we are going to go back all the way to our key level where we marked out earlier before now from the H1 time frame. Okay, so from the daily time frame, which is 24 hours time frame, this is the key level we marked out, and price has come to our support and it's leaving our support now. So how do we find entries? How do we find entry opportunities? Okay, so here price has already left and it's returning back. So what thing we could have done, because you've seen that price has broken structures to the upside from here. So one thing we could have done, let's just see. Okay, let's just see how we could have entered trades here. Okay, let's just see how we could have entered trades here. Okay, so you see price coming back like this. We'll find a way to draw our trend line. Okay, so see price coming back like this. What do we do? We want to draw our trend line now. All right, so let's just draw our trend line and see how it goes. I don't know how it's going to play out, but let's just draw the trend line. Okay, alright, so we are drawing the trend line here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so price has entered our key level actually. So it's easy for us to begin to look for trade now, for trading opportunities now. Okay, so price broke out of our trend line, and then we are looking at what is happening. Same price play out gradually, right? We have our trend line fully drawn, and price is giving us some sort of retest. That's already broken out of our key level, like our lower time frame key level, which is this structure here. Price has already broken out of it. So and also broken out of our trend line. So we're having a retest now. Let's see. We'll get goodness. Yeah, this is good. We have price even came back to our order block. This actually here, this stuff here is actually an order block, right? Because price broke our structure here, and this one was the last candle before the break of structure. Okay, so these are order block, and price has come to retest it. So let's see how it goes. Let's see. I think it has given us a bullish momentum also. So let's just take a buy. Let's take a buy here at the close of this candle. This is where we met it. Okay, so take a buy. Our stop loss down below, as you can see. Then we are targeting this high all the way to this high. Good. So this is going to be massive, like about 3 or 4 risk reward ratio. So let's move ahead. Let's see. Oh shit. Okay, so let's just see how it goes. Yeah, price is going our way. Price is going in our direction, as you can see. Let's extend this stuff. Meanwhile, price is going in our direction. Let's just extend this stuff. Okay, so let's keep doing this and see. Price is almost it has the profit, but at this point, actually, what I do is that I come up with what do you call it, break even. I take my trade to break even, maybe after price has given me this retracement. So I bring my stop loss here, and then when it gives me this one, I bring it to this one again. That's how I just trade the stop. So sometimes it might retrace and come to hit your stop loss, but let's just see. You see, a little thing to hit our take good. Finally, we even hit the take profit. This is nice. Wow, this is nice, man. So this is 3 points. 1:3.83 ratio. This is massive, guys. If you trade this way, believe me, most of your trades you are going to be winning them. You can see price continued even going up. Price even continued going up. This is massive. This is massive. Price continued going up. So we might also see another, but we can't find another entry. What is this? The momentum is high to the upside. Price has continued going up. So I don't know. Good. We can place a trend line here. We've gotten a low sorry, we've gotten two lower highs. We can place our trend line here to find another entry. I don't know how this is going to work out. Okay, but let's just give it a try. Let's give it a try. Okay, so price would have broken our trend line at this point. Price would have broken our trend line at this spot, right? And you have to just make sure you set your trend line properly. So price would have broken our trend line at about this spot, and also broken our structure, our lower time frame key level here, which is the break of structure. Okay, has it really gone out of it? Yeah, it has gone out now. So let's see if it comes back good. We have some retest and some bullish momentum. So I think I'm not sure of this. Let's take a trade there. Taking this, we have to give it some gap below here. Then I don't know if this is worth it. Is it up to one? Is the one at least? Okay, let's see. Let's see what is gonna happen from. Depending on how the trade plays out. Wow, it's even going in our way. Good, we hit take profit again. Wow, this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. We hit take profit again. That's just how it works, guys. That's just how it works. Just keep doing the same thing. Keep repeating it. You have to backtest this on your demo account until you master it. Please join our join us on Telegram. I'm going to drop a PDF detailed with this strategy and how you are going to trade this strategy step by step. And if you want me to mentor you on how to use this strategy to make money from the market, DM me via Telegram, and I'm going to talk with you. And you will join our mentorship. Okay, so you join our mentorship and we'll start immediately. I'm going to teach you how to trade this strategy perfectly. I'm going to teach you how to trade this strategy perfectly, and believe me, it's going to be the starting point for you, where it's going to mark a turnaround in your trades. Okay, so this strategy works very well. If you master this strategy, it's going to be the beginning of change in your trading career. Okay, so this is it. This one, we even got a retest and we could have entered the trade here also. At this point, we would have entered the trade, having our stop loss below these lows here. And then this high is where we would have reached out to, but it's too close. We could have gone further higher, and then we use trailing stop. Once price gets to this high, we close our first take profit. We use it as our first take profit, right? And then if it continues going our way, we will now break even. All right, guys, this is VIX 25 on the daily time frame, and so we are going to be using it to show how this same strategy works on the volatility period, right? So let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together. So here is our support. We have this key level, we have this one also. These are places where price has already left, right? So this is another one here. Okay, yep, there's another one here. Then we have this, boom, and this excuse me, this. Okay, so we have these key levels. Now our attention for this moment is going to be within here. Okay, this is the most recent place where we have our key levels, the support and resistance levels. So we are going to go to the 1 hour time frame, guys. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see how we will use this strategy on this pair. Okay, we are going to apply it on this pair. Now look at this, guys. This is our area, so we're going to bring this. Let's adjust it. Okay, let's adjust it. Yeah, so this is our support level, you can see. Okay, so good and fine. Yeah, excuse me. So let's start from here. Okay, let's start from here. Now you can see initially price has been going up. Okay, let me just do the normal way. Let's just zoom it the normal way so I can play it. All right, yeah. Let me do the play mode. So actually we've seen price bouncing off from the resistance support level actually. So let's see how it goes now. Okay, so yeah, we've got momentum to the upside. So price has broken structure, which means we will now start looking for trades. Although we could have also taken trade at this point. When price broke out of this point, we would have used our trend line here also, just like this. Okay, just like this. And when price comes here, at this point we could have taken the trade here and stop loss below, then target the structure high, and then would have hit take profit right here. Okay, just like that. And that would have been it. I think this is about 1:4 risk ratio. Okay, so let's just keep moving. Let's see more. Okay, so I think we have something here. We have got something here. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. We have something here. This is trend line here. We have, and our trend line has been broken also, and then price came back into it. Let's see whether this is going to work. I don't know, but let's see. I don't think it's going to work because of some place, but let's just try this. Okay, risk management is key, so we place our trade on this candle, and then here is our stop loss below this low, so I take profit here is structure high, and then let's see how it goes. Okay, price just tapped, oh my goodness, just tapped into our okay, so this was a mistake actually. You see, this is it. This is what happens when you are trading. This was a mistake. We are not supposed to take this trade at the first. Can see, we are not supposed to take this trade at the first retest here. This was just the first retest, so we are not supposed to take the trade at first retest. Now you can see what happened. Price just tapped into our distance and then went back up. So you can see that. So we'll look for another opportunity. Okay, we think we have another trend here forming. We have another trend forming here. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so price has actually broken it and retested, and then okay, I think momentum has shifted to the upside now. With this, with what I'm seeing now, momentum is shifting to the upside. Okay, so we have a trend line here now. Okay, so price has broken out and has retested it, but here we got a very huge momentum to the upside, so we could have entered, but let's wait. Done. Okay, so here we enter the trade. These things can be tricky sometimes, but you have to know how it works. Experience will help you better. So we'll come place our stop loss below the previous low, and then let's see how it goes. Then our take profit actually should be this high, right? Should be this high. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Oops. Price might not be okay. Let's just see. Let's just believe in our strategy. Okay, yeah. Good. We hit take profits here. We hit take profit. Yep, we hit take profit. So sweet, guys, so sweet. And so this is the end here. This is the end. So we hit take profit. This is so sweet, guys. It's such a wonderful strategy. Please backtest this strategy and use it to milk the market. Now let's go to the currency pairs and see how it will work. So guys, this is the Euro USD chart on the currency pair, and this is the daily time frame actually, and I've marked out our key levels, which you can see. I've marked out our key levels, as you can see. So I'm going to scale down to the 1 hour time frame so that we will begin to apply the same strategy to make our trades. So let's see how it goes. I'm going down to the 1 hour time frame now. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame, guys. This is 1 hour time frame, and let me go back to where I started. Let's go to the beginning. Okay, so as you can see, scrolling back, this is the beginning, which is actually the support level. So like I told you earlier, you need to mark out your key levels. You need to also mark out your you need to also know the market structure. And from what we see here, the market structure has been bearish over here. Okay, has been bearish over here, and then here I see this, and then here we got change of character, which they call shift in market structure. So that's it, and price has become bullish. So from this area, the price became bullish after the change of character. From this area, we now look for only buys, okay, whereas this area is only sells that we look for. Now let's try to apply this strategy and see how it would have worked out for us. Okay, let me use the replay mode. Okay, so I'm doing the replay mode right now. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I call it off from here, and let's see starting from here. Let me zoom in. Right, let me zoom in so we see our chart properly. Let me zoom in so we see our chart properly. Okay, so I could have actually used my trend line right here. Let me see. I don't know how it's gonna be, but let me see. I could have used my trend line right here and placing it here also. This is what we have. So price has actually broken out of the trend line, and what we want to see next, probably price taking out this level. Okay, if price should take out this level, then it's really good that and we are sure that price has changed direction. So let's use the play mode and see. Good, we have some sort of breakout. Yeah, we've got some sort of breakout, so we want to see a retest. Okay, price is pulling back into it, and we have to see some sort of bullish, some sort of bearish momentum come into the market before we take our trade. Okay, so yeah, you can see this price is good. We have it. Yeah, okay, good. Oh my goodness, this is even too fast. So this is too fast. I would have entered. Okay, so let's still take the trade. Let's still take the trade here. I would have loved to enter somewhere here, and then stop loss above, then take profit. Is going to be at 1 to 2 risk ratio. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Guys. Let's see how it goes. Okay, all right, you can see this is it. Let's see how it goes. So at about this point I would have, okay, let's see how it goes. Maybe price is giving us, okay, so this is a pullback and a retest. We've got a retest here. So this, we could have also placed our trend line here. Alright, let's see. We have placed our trend line here also. Then an alternative place to place a trend line also is here. In case you miss out on that one, you could also have placed it here. This is it. So one of them is going to work out. Let's continue. Once price breaks the second trend line and gives me a good confirmation, I'm going to take on that trade. Okay, let me see some bearish. Okay, so as long as price shows me a good bearish pressure, I'm going to sell. Good, we have it here. This is nice. So here I'm going to sell again. I'm going to add another position to this one. Okay, I'm going to add another position to this one, and then I'll go 1-to-1 risk reward ratio also. I'll go 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So I'm going to add another position to this. Let's see. This is it. So I'm selling right here. I'm selling right here. Then stop loss should be just above that range. Okay, good. This is my stop loss should be. Then I should be taking nothing less than 1:2. Okay, I think I should go a little further. I'm stopping here also. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Let's continue the play mode and see how it goes. Okay, good. TP smashed. We have both TPs smashed, right? We have both TPs smashed. That is how this strategy works, guys. That's how this strategy works. If you have watched up to this point, congratulations. By now you'll be a good trader using this strategy. And please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notification bell so whenever I drop a new post you get notified. Also, there is a link to my Telegram channel in the description box. Just click the link and join my Telegram channel. There I drop signals, I drop chat setups and all that to enable you, leverage on our knowledge to make money also. So nice one. So thank you for watching, and like always we say, it can only get better. Okay, so here we've seen another one, like a very nice what do you call it, a very nice one again. You can see our setup. This is it, and we have some bearish momentum. So we've taken the trade here, placing this trade, and this is about 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Okay, so let's see how it plays out. Let's see it play out. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, let's see how it good. TP smashed. TP has been smashed. So here you will see it playing out very nicely, such that we had our trend line here, and then price broke below it, and then this is the structure that was broken. So price actually came back to retest it and then gave us this bearish engulfing, and then we are able to enter the trade here. Okay, taking 1:2 risk reward ratio. All right, and you can see how our TP was smashed very easily. We hit take profit very easily. You can see it, and it's 1:2 risk reward ratio. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.